Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the topic matrices, and let's see what do we have today. So let me read the question for you. Which of the given values of x and y make this pair of matrices equal? We have two matrices. The first one is this and the second one is this. So the property that we apply here, that if two matrices are equal, let me write it for you. If two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements denoted by Aij and Bij must be equal. I hope you all got it. For each I and j, and of course their order should also be equal. If we have a 3 cross 3 matrix and another matrix is 4 cross 4, then they cannot be equal at any cost. So the first thing to remember is that we have to make sure that the order of both the matrices are equal and their corresponding elements are equal as well. So let's see what we can do here. So the corresponding elements should be equal. So 3x plus 7 should be is equal to 0, 5 should be is equal to y minus 2, y plus 1 should be is equal to 8, and 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. So we have four equations and we have to solve them. So let's see what they have done. Okay, so they have just in the first step they have made the matrices equal. Now moving to the next slide. Moving to the next slide, we can see that now we have I already told you that we have four equations. The first equation was 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. The second equation was y minus 2 is equal to 5, and the third equation was y plus 1 is equal to 8. That makes x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Solving the second equation, we get y is equal to 7, and solving the third equation, we get y is equal to 7. I hope we had the fourth equation as well. Yeah, the fourth equation was 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. Solving this equation, we get our x as minus 2 by 3. But now is the problem. We have two values of x, here and here. Let me show it with the red color, here and here. But they are not equal. So we do not have any unique solution for x that can make this matrix, these two matrices equal. If we have got same value for x from all the equations and same value for y from all the equations, then we would have got an answer. But the problem here is that the x from this equation and x from this equation are not equal. So let's see. We see that the value of x is not unique. The value of x is not unique. So our option B is correct. Our option B must be like no unique solution. So I hope you all got it. Thank you.